Frank Nutrition. That's an interesting name for the business. I like it. Nice, clear profile picture. You're smiling. I love a good smile. So that does it for me. I like it. Active on the store. Not really active. One post, but it's okay. I don't mind. Online coach helping busy women to achieve your best health and fat loss goals. No nonsense, no fads, just frank coaching and knowledge. Okay, so I would just put, rather than saying you're an online coach, just put it here because you've already got nutritionist. Put online nutritionist and fitness coach. Online nutritionist and transformation coach because you've already got nutritionist here as well. Aside from that, helping busy women. What does that mean? My mum's busy and she's 50, in her 50s. You know, my grandmother's also busy. She's in her 80s. Both my sisters are busy. Like, what type of women? What's making them busy? And then achieve your best health. What does your best health mean? That's different things to different people. What are their fat loss goals? I think the bio is a little bit wishy-washy. We need to get direct. I don't understand all of this. Clear that up. There's no link in the bio either, so you have no funnel, okay? So they're not going anywhere. It's a little bit of a problem. We can fix this. There's no magic pill. I'm not judging the content today, but I'm just having a look. I can already see we can help you fix this content too, by the way. This content, we can fix this. So when I say, you know, where are they going? Look at one of my clients, Emma, for example. Emma Souza, online women's health coach, helping 40 plus women lose 10 pounds in 90 days. Menopause expert and lifestyle coach. Download my free menopause cheat sheet below. Press the link. It leads to a cheat sheet. See, that's just clarity. It's synergy. When I download it, she gets my email, my phone number, and she can market to me. I need you to do something like that. But overall, good starting point. We just got some work to do. You'll be fine.